welcome to Mondays with Marvin. I'm Paula Lutze, and we're going to actually be making salt dough ornaments today. So I thought this was a really fun thing to try to do. So Marvin, are you ready? So I have what we're going to need. So you're going to need flour, salt, and water. So you're actually going to use a cup of flour, a cup of salt, and a half a cup of water. So put your flour and salt in the bowl first and mix that really well. I've already done that. So you're going to mix it really well, and then what we're going to do is we're actually going to make a well, and then we're going to add our water. Okay, so now that we've actually mixed it well, we're actually going to make a well to put our water in. So you can see here, and then you're going to take your half a cup of water and you're going to add it into the well, and then you're going to knead the dough until it's a good mixture. Okay, so now that we've gotten it into a bowl, we've gotten the water all mixed in, and you might have to add a little bit more water. So I had to add a little bit more than the half cup to mine. And you can also add food coloring if you want your dough to be different colors. So now what you're gonna do is once you get into a ball, and we're gonna flatten it to be the thickness that I want for my ornament. And I'm actually gonna do handprints. But you can do footprints, you can do different shapes and designs, you can do all kinds of stuff with this. So I will see you in a second once I've rolled mine out. Okay, so now I've flattened it out to the thickness that I want it. And so what you're gonna do is now you're gonna get another bowl, and this is how you're actually gonna shape your ornament. So you can vary it depending on the size of it. Okay, so then I'm actually gonna have my daughter come because we're gonna do her handprint. Okay, now my daughter Elaina is with us, and she's actually gonna take her hand and she's gonna press really hard in the dough so that we can get her handprint. Are you ready, baby doll?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, press real hard. Gotta get a good shape in there. Okay, you ready? Let's see. You wanna see what it looks like? There we go. So if you kind of see, what we're gonna do is after it's dry, we're gonna paint her handprint in here so it'll be a different color.
I wanna paint it red.
You wanna paint it red? Okay, we'll paint it red. And so now you're just gonna let it dry. You can air dry it, or you can actually put it in the oven and let it dry that way, but you have to be careful. We're gonna choose to air dry, and then I'll come back when it's no longer soft and we'll paint it. Okay, and we'll see you in a bit.
Bye.
Okay, so now our sourdough handprint is dry, and it does take a long time for it to dry. But now we're gonna actually paint it red, and I got some paint, and Elena's gonna paint the handprint part. All right, you ready? You wanna try to paint it? Okay. And then we'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, and now we have our finished salt dough handprint, so you can see what it looks like. And you can also add a hole before it dries so that if you want to hang it up as an ornament, you can do that. But we hope you enjoyed this project because it was a lot of fun, and we'll see you next time. Bye! Can you say goodbye?
Bye.
Good job.